We're at b2p5.com. Working some calculus. We're doing implicit differentiation, and here's a problem that we're going to be doing here. We're in this section right here. If you want to see that problem, it says find y prime, and there it is. So let's move on into the whiteboard, and let's get rid of that. What was all that? Don't know. Let's give some room here on the board. Alright, so we want to find y prime, and we've got 10x squared plus 6xy plus 3y squared, and it's equal to 6. And I've been kind of saying this on all the problems in this section, but we could easily be asked to find dy over dx, so this would be the same thing, okay? Alright, so let's take the derivative of this. We're going to take the 2, bring it out front, and 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times 10 is 20, yeah. Wow. Okay, we're going to need to do some kind of product rule here. We got plus. Okay, so we're going to take the derivative of 6x, and derivative of 6x is 6, and then rewrite y plus to rewrite 6x, and we take the derivative of y, and that gives us a 1, and then we write, remember, y prime. Don't forget that now. Okay, the derivative of 3y squared, so we take the 2, bring it out front. 2 times 3 is 6. Y times y prime. And the derivative of 6 is 0. So now what we need to do is solve for y prime in this problem. So I'm going to take these two over to the right, and so we end up having 6x y prime plus 6y times y prime, just rewriting these two, is equal to negative 20x minus 6y. Alright. I'm going to factor out this y prime. So we have 6x plus 6y is equal to negative 20x minus 6y, and finally we have y prime is equal to negative 20x minus 6y, and then down here we're going to take this down diagonally, 6x plus 6y. Now we've got a number that can go into all those guys. Looks like, let's see, that's going to be 5 and 4. So it looks like 2 goes into everything here. So we want to kind of reduce that down. I am going to actually factor this negative completely out this time. So 2 goes into 20 10 times. 2 goes into 6, 3. Right. And 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into this 6 3 times. Okay? And of course we got, I went ahead and factored the negative completely out because I got a feeling in the problem this is probably what I'm going to end up doing. And remember, if they were asked to find dy dx, we'd be writing dy dx here instead of y prime. So keep that in mind. And let's move over. Let's see what it says. Yeah, I did factor the negative out. 10x plus 3y. Ooh. Is that right? 10x plus 3y, 3x plus 3y. Yeah, that's correct. Alright, y prime. So that problem came from this section. Just click on that button and eventually you'll see that come up. And remember, you're at b2p5.com.